So hello everyone. If you want to make this cute cactus, so all you have to do is put your handprint on the paper and just do exactly the way we did. Now for the next part, if you want to make this beer, all you have to do is this is looking nice, but I am not really sure it's a beer because that oh my god, that face is scary. Okay, now you just have to spread these. Oh, that's not a beer. That's your lion, yeah. I was wrong. I can be wrong sometimes. This time I'm not well. Okay. Now for the next part, you have to take your eggshells and cut them the way we are doing it here. Not actually eggshells, your egg tray shells. And now your ice cream is already now that started having me like the cravings for it. Okay. Now, in the next part, you have to cut your paper as we are doing it here. And now, it's like your different houses. Yeah, I was right. This is a very typical scene. We all have seen it we have made it with the paper and pens. But here you can get a realistic way. Can make your snow with the help of your clays and done. Now you have to cut your paper as we did it here and now just draw some lines with the highlighter. Okay, so this is a popcorn which you all get when you go to see a movie. So tell me which movie you saw latest. And popcorn, they are very expensive, yeah, to be honest. Okay, so these are your popcorns or caramelized ones. Not really sure, but yeah, these are your popcorns I can be sure of. So your sponge is back, guys, and this time we have colored it with the golden color and then orange on the top of it. And we are making your birds here. Put something for them to eat. So for that, we are just drawing your grass here so that they can find at least something to have. And done. Now for the next part, cut out the eggshell trays the way we did it here and now put some colors as we are doing it here. Make some eyes. You can make the eyes with the help of your tablet wrappers. Put some black clay in it and your eyes are done. Now you have to take your earbuds and you can make the ears very easily with that. Just have to do almost the same thing with the rest of them, I guess. And your caterpillar is all done. So yeah, that is your join them and your caterpillar was done. So this bubble wrap is very easily available in the market in your wrapping things. So yeah, this is very easily available. You can use them for making this Halloween kind of your pumpkin. And yeah, so make them as scary as you want because Halloween is all about the fear. Okay. Now moving forward, what you have to do is make this shape on the paper and okay, again we are cutting it. Okay, we are not actually cutting it, we are making lines. Oh, I know what it is. I am just not really sure of the name. It's a corn, yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.